We are Susana Arellano, Laura Rivera, Alejandro Ramirez, and Donovan Gaspar, and we're going to talk about functions.
A function is a relation from a set of inputs to get a set of possible outputs, where each input is related to one output. An algebraic function only involves algebraic operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They have a domain, x, and a range, y, and give us an ordered pair, xy. There are many types of these functions, such as linear, quadratic, cubic, absolute, reciprocal, exponential, logarithmic, square root, sine, cosine, and tangent. Each of these functions change their form when you graph them. For example, the linear makes a line and the quadratic makes a parabola. They are used to analyze behavior of a process, situation, or elements.
Objective. In this presentation, we're going to represent and analyze relations and functions in the news, showing them with graphics, tables of data, or verbal representation, explaining the news with its functions.
Our first graphic is a sine function. It is about business solutions that increased 4.5% to total 2,416. Sine function because it goes up and down constantly. Its domain is minus infinite to infinite. Its range is from 0 to 14,000. Dependent variable is February through years. Dependent variable is business about quantity.
In this data table, it is shown the cases of coronavirus in every state of Mexico. This is an exponential function because the deaths and the cases are increasing day by day. The domain, which is the independent variable that represents the time, starts in 0 to April 23rd, and the range, which is the dependent variable that represents the number of affected people in every state of Mexico. It starts in 0 to the total cases nowadays, which are 11,633. Next function is an exponential function, and it's a graphic. We think it's an exponential function because of the way the cases increase and how it is graphed. This function is about COVID-19 in Mexico and how the cases have increased. Domain is to 0 to 81, and it corresponds to the date, and the range is from 0 to 8,772, and it's the cases. There, the independent variable is the time, and the dependent variable is the number of cases in Mexico. There are 712 dead, 8,072 confirmed cases, and 9,653 suspect cases. This is from 1st of February of 2020 and to April 21st of 2020. There have been 511 new cases, in total 8,772 cases. Next function is a verbal function. It's about the lockdown and how has it affected the crime. We think this is a statistical representation of frequency because a lot of factors intervene in the situation, such as nature and other daily life factors. When you try to graph this, you cannot see a defined pattern. Because of this, it does not fit the types of the function. So this function doesn't have a domain or a range. The dependent variable of this function is the time, and the dependent variable of this function is the number of crimes reported. This graphic is a cosine function because the retail sales increase and decrease depending on the years. It goes up and down. The domain, which is the independent variable, represents the years starting in 2001 to infinite, because there are still many years left to see the changes of these sales.
And the range is a dependent variable, which represents the percentage increase of retail sales.
We use three functions, which are the symbolic, that is represented by an equation, a graphic, that is represented by many types of graphics like the ones we showed, and the verbal, which tells you the information written and in detail.
Conclusion. The functions are very useful